नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह friendship. One man but two parts. Allah tells the real Quran. One man or two part, one part jinn part, dream part, mind part, or mother's part, insan part, body's part. This is two part of man life. Allah tells the Holy Quran, وَالَّذِي خَلَقَ الْأَزْوَاجَ كُلَّهَا. All of the creations made by two parts. Al-Quran for insan part, mother's part. But the world Muslim in generation given added religious jinn part. No made land part, your mind's part. The Muslim nation, all the madrasa education, the jinn part. The Muslim nation, all the madrasa education, the jinn part. Your mind made by is not land. This for dream part. It is sleeping dream part, it is sleeping dream part. Added mother's body's part. Allah tells the Holy Quran, Allah tells the Holy Quran, Yajidu fi khalqi man yashaw, inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. Creation's part added the mother's body's part. Also must Almighty Allah. Creation part or mother's body's part, two part is jinn and insan part. Creation's part is your mind part. Creation parts is your mind parts. Or body's parts, mother's part. Almighty is Allah. Two part is man life. Your mind is not honorable part. For this mind, disabled part of Tawheed. To understand? That the real Quran is speech of my Allah. All of the world Muslims, the real Quran is hidden. Allah tells the Quran, وَالَّذِي خَلَقَ الْأَزْوَاجَ كُلَّهَا وَجَعَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ الْفُلْكِ وَالْأَنْعَامِ مَا تَرْكَبُونَ. The Quran Kalam, Jakhraf, part nung 12. The insan part, body's part, mother's part, directors, Almighty the Allah. Almighty the Allah. So, says Islam, is all right Islam, the Prophet Islam, natural Islam, heaven Islam. But of all the Muslims generation, says Islam is done by hack. All of the world Muslim member died no nearby Almighty Allah. The mother's body's part khatam. So Jahannami. Allah talk the Holy Quran, Kalam Safat, part nong 53, 54, 55. Allah talk the Holy Quran, Aija mitna wa kunna taraba wa ija mana inna lamadinun kalahalantum mutaliyun fatala afaraihu fi sawil jahim. Friendship, at best in end.